However, Pakistan has been making significant strides in the development and adoption of electric rickshaws. Here are some notable advancements: High Voltage Sazgar Engineering Works, pioneering electric rickshaws. Sazgar Engineering Works Limited has emerged as a leader in Pakistan's electric rickshaw sector. In January 2024, the company received the country's first ever electric vehicle EV rickshaw manufacturing license. Their electric rickshaws offer a range of 100 kilometers for the base variant and up to 160 kilometers for the top variant, with a charging time of approximately 4 hours. These vehicles are equipped with digitized odometers and have been exported to over 30 countries, including Japan and Liberia. Sazgarados.com 1. Herb Government Initiatives, Promoting Sustainable Transportation. The Punjab government has launched electric rickshaws in collaboration with private companies. These vehicles can cover up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional rickshaws. This initiative aims to reduce air and noise pollution while providing economic benefits to drivers amid rising fuel prices. Inkpack.com 2. Sun with Face solar-powered rickshaws, exploring renewable energy. Innovations in solar-powered rickshaws are also emerging, focusing on sustainability and energy efficiency. These vehicles utilize solar panels to charge batteries, offering a renewable energy solution for urban transport. While still in developmental stages, such concepts aim to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower operational costs. And X20, if you have more details about the PowerAce Tech Toast concept or are interested in specific features, feel free to provide more information, and I can offer more targeted insights. 1. https Sazgarados.com Pakistan's first licensed EV rickshaw UTM_source equals chat.com Pakistan's first licensed EV rickshaw, Sazgar Engineering Works Limited. 2. https www.inkpack.com National Punjab government launches electric rickshaws UTM_source equals chat.com Punjab government launches electric rickshaws, INC pack.